My name is Joe Eisenberg, and I'm the CEO and designer for Sapling Supply, LLC. Our primary focus is B2B, so we want to be outfitting as many schools as possible. The furniture is tailored for a smaller body. It's a lot of shelving, and my daughter was going to a Montessori school, and the director of the program knew that I dabbled with carpentry and asked for shelves. And after building her some shelves, I realized that there was a real need for this for a more reasonable price point in the early education environment. We met some other colleagues and other people with these very interesting designs and products. At that point, they wanted to team up and say, could you please be our new manufacturer? And if you actually do want to create an industrial facility that's going to be cranking out products, hopefully at large volume, there is no way to do it conventionally because the price point would just be astronomical. And this is where it comes into the X-Carve Pro. And with that new pivot into a new shop, I had to invest in new tools. Now, I could have invested in all of your conventional shop tools, but with that, I would have had to have skilled labor that would be able to do the repetition of all of these petite pieces very quickly. And we all know that right now, labor is the most expensive thing. You do your math of $20, $30 an hour for skilled labor, and that's being very conservative. However, if I then instead made that major investment in a little bit more pricey tools, but still mid-sized CNCs, I could then automate that whole process and then base everything off of just the X-Carve Pro. What I can do is allow the machines to be running once I set up a jig for whatever thing I'm mass producing at that time, and then I can be cleaning up the pieces that have just finished by putting them through the drum sander, routing the edges, doing whatever I need to do while they're just humming along. What I really liked about Inventables and the program that you guys developed with Easel is that I was able to learn CAD programming. And I first had the X-Carve, and once I got the hang of things, I was then able to feel confident investing in the larger tools. I don't know about you, but with the current market the way that it is, either with supplies, with labor, with interest rates, I don't want to be locked down in anything where I can't be flexible. And I still want the capacity to be able to do things, but I don't want to be basically anchored to something that could turn into an albatross in a year or two. What I like about the X-Carve Pro is that it really does create a tool that can satisfy your manufacturing needs, but also is flexible enough for you to pivot for whatever the unknowns are in the coming months and years.